But the 4 varieties that we do is beans, soybeans, groundnuts, and cowpeas. So the company established in 2014. 3 co-founders, Sunday, Lungwe, deal with crop varieties, one that puts in soil health, like most people on the continent anyway. So to bring in the legumes that bring protein and the vegetable base, like is a simple, cheap way to help people become healthy and also because of the niche products. Niche products meaning that they're what you call high value crops. They usually yield more than like most crops. So you find that when you sell beans or you sell like soybeans, for instance, like let's see, you're getting 13 kwacha per kg. Maize, you're lucky if it's the double. So this is the campus. You can tell like it's in an industrial area. This here is the eastern. This building here is very historic, opened by Kaunda. Yeah, it's the Eastern Province, Eastern Cooperative Unit, ECU or whatever, or union. Because back in the day, like storage was a problem. So when Kaunda was initiating some of these things, this is where they had the Eastern Province storage. Because a lot of people lose 30% of their harvest just to bad storage, which is quite upsetting, especially like in the hills. That's why we're working on the project. We're trying to get a sugar from the mayor. We had to put our Chipata kind of like Chipata and then our emblem, kind of like the Hollywood sign.
Put it where?
One at the top of that hill. From our office where you can see it there, and then the other one on the other hill. So we already have the welcome to Chipata. We already have that. Only 2 services left to be announced. But now our revenue is like $9.8 million.
Dollars.
Yeah.
Revenue.
Yeah. Jump from nowhere.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. So in the back there, we're going to create kind of like a demarcation. That's kind of like cinema type.
Okay.
As well as so that's where we're going to start GNA University.
In the back, as in the end of this hall.
Yeah. Okay. So for our town halls and group meetings, group whatever, we'll be having them there. So the offices on this side and this side. This is Kapira. These are smaller brands.
No, the variety name is
Kapira. So the variety name is Kapira. Because like in Zambia, people like naming things after rivers.
Yes.
Yeah. Zambezi seeds. Like Kapira variety and everything. Yeah. So this is seeds. This is not for human consumption.
Okay.
We do not digest in a farm.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's just for planting.
So in the seed cascade is what you call, it's called the high potent seed. There's C1, C2, C3, and then there's what you call QDS. QDS is now what you go to buy in the stores to go plant for consumption. This is for seed multiplication. So GNA has also created its own variety because that's where the real money is. We've not gone the route of calling it after rivers. We've gone the route of calling it, after minerals.
Oh, okay.
So we call the one of the creators called emeralds. From emeralds, I'm sure we'll get to copper at some point. Get to diamond. So usually you find the theme and you go with it. Some people might go lion, rhino.
Yeah.
It's up to you. But this here is, what do I call this thing? Okay, there's an elevator on the other side of this. Yep. So this is Dissy. This is my mom and my 2 sisters and my niece. Yeah. So I invited Jesse to join us because he's visiting from Malawi.
Okay.
Yeah, so he's in the finance department in Malawi and he's also helping with run operations.
Yes.
So when I go to Malawi, every single time is the one who picks me up at the border.
The Zambian High Commission says she's a friend to your mom?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Maureen. Yeah. This is called a pit. So you put this down the pit. This pit can take up to 20 metric tons.
Wow.
20 metric tons is a lot. So a truckload is 600 there's 30 metric tons, which is 600 bags of 50 kg. So this is like what, 500 bags
Ooh.
of that. It's a lot. But, so, you know, like what we've done this year, which is a little bit different, is we now have our good nature bags that we send into the field. Any farmer who tries to deliver in a bag that's not like this. Yes. So we made these bags unique starting last year because the year before we had a lot of quality problems where we just give bags that people will use. So immediately we come in and we only give these bags to our farmers after they verify how many bags they actually need. Then we do what they call like the home check. So we'll see how many bags they've actually filled in. And each bag is labeled with the drawer number and the details of where it came from. Here, this brand. This is a pit. So it's going to be processed. Yeah. So the whole point of, again, because we're going for wild colors, maybe this year we'll use this color.
Okay.
Next year we might use bright pink.
Okay.
So we can already know what year we use the... And we're going for colors that you don't easily find in the market.
That's a good idea.
The branding from?
In Lusaka. There's a company called Wonderful Group.
Oh, the Chinese.
Yeah. We're also building that hotel opposite Ispa. Oh, they opened it?
The offices actually.
Oh, okay, yeah. So those guys...
Pensani was doing.
Who?
People Pensani.
Ship from
I don't know,
Tanzania.
for some reason they invited Chief.
Oh, okay.
That is happening.
Yeah. So anyways, this is the pit.
Okay. Lovely.
This is also a guide book
Uh-huh.
where we are writing all the information which are coming from the bags. From each bag, we are writing the code number, as well as what is this number? Is it a lot number?
Ah, yes.
Yes. As well as the camp where it came from. Yes,
okay.
it is
For
considered
easy
we need
identification, yeah, so that you know this is coming from Senam.
So this is just part of the phase one. Thank you again, Machet. Machet is the guy who used to help me. Machet has been GNA for quite a while. How many years, Machet?
4 years.
3 years. Yeah, it's about the same time as me.
Yeah.
He's the one who started my garden,
Well,
the GNA garden.
Oh, the one where you eat
Yeah, because we're buying too many things, just didn't make sense, and we're like, we've got all these agronomists. So I started the GNA garden for the canteen.
So wait.
We're not taking it very seriously, so he started it for us. Even on my farm, my labor, he would help me a lot in finding labor. Right next to me. So this is how we're starting now, but with the digital platform that we're building, with the funds that we got from the EU for that trip, we're making. We want to do what's called flexibility. It's called farm to fork. Underneath in there, it goes in the pit. It's lifted up using that elevator. Then it goes up there. And then now it goes down to the processed. So like these guys are just in process. So we're the ones so we're the ones who break it inside the bag. Yeah. So the MIT students the dealer I think that's how and Kevin went to. So that really helps create these samples. That's why you notice like our packaging is very unique. You'll never see it anywhere. This Chipata comes in with sticks. They call it foreign material. Sticks, sand, stones. So it will clean in here. And then the results that come out. Getting there. So it will pre-clean and remove all these things. Yeah. So that's just the start. So what you're doing is gravity, right? You're pushing the feet up. What's light is pushed away with the wind. So that captures all this. Then it will go up again and then what comes out? Be careful. What comes out of here is the final seed. That's how the process is there. So you can do up to 3.5 metric tons in an hour. Take some of these back to the government to go test. So you can later. So how do you make it convenient? Like here, imagine if it was raining. You can't do anything. Into char.
The heat and the smoke.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then we inoculate it now with biologicals to make it into something that brings benefit to health. So kind of like when you buy soy, then you get an inoculant. So this itself, you know, like in production wise, it's probably 50 kwacha per bag. And fertilizer is like 1,200 or 800 kwacha per bag. So this is going to be a huge source of new revenue for Good Nature, because this is how you get into carbon credits. So all this here, we've got about 32 tons. Oh, absolutely. Maybe 200 kwacha per bag. You know, and it's good for, like, imagine like there was a place that maybe has got lead in Kabwe, and you want to restore like that to bring it back to land use. You put this, just leave it there for a year or two to take care of all that stuff.
Nice to see you. This is everybody? What do you mean finally? Did you ever leave?
No, you kept on saying, when are you coming?
Yeah.
Like, I was saying, when?
Right.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.